Hey folks, thanks for following here on Watson's Wagons. My name is Mike Watson, and as if you didn't already know, welcome to my dirty, nasty, congested shop. Unbelievable. Look folks, we're working upstairs, right? We're building a man cave, and I think what I'm going to do is document the build of the man cave. Let me get some lights going here. There we go. And a lot of the stuff that was upstairs was brought down. We're still not unpacked from the move because I have no place to put the stuff. So anyhow, we're going to get a little series going here on YouTube to track the major muscle movements of building the man cave, which is going to be upstairs. You can see where the stairs are over here. And let's take you upstairs so you can see what's going on. Okay, it's cold out here, I'm telling you. I just cranked the heat up. Alright, we're at 60. The old girl's firing up over there in the corner. We got to get some heat going. Turn on the lights. Alright, this is where the cave's gonna be. Now, I'm 51 years old, and just like every man out there, I've been wanting something like my own. I just want my own space. You know what I'm saying? Ouch. Yeah. And this is the space that I'm building. And when it's done, it's going to be the coolest of the cool. Totally militarized. And, I already got some lights going. Electrical. The ceiling fan that's going to go here. And I saw a really cool video where a guy took a 1/6 scale helicopter, mounted it to the base of the fan, and the fan, it just looked like the chopper was hovering. So I think I'm going to try that when the time comes. So, we're a little messy up here, folks. Got a lot of work to do, but I think you'll enjoy it. I encourage you to watch along. These are 105 shell casings with dummy rounds. Yep. Anybody wants to spend the night? We got a cot for you. Yeah. And so this is going to be the space. All right. I already started framing in the bathroom location. It's roughly 5 feet by 5 feet. And this is where men can be men and do their business. All right. So although the video's short, I encourage you to subscribe for the channel so you can stay updated on what's going on. But I really think you're going to like it. We're going to incorporate some tongue and groove knotty pine in here, some sheetrock, probably use some industrial carpet tiles, only because I'm above a shop. And then once this space is done and set up and decorated, then we'll start working on the shop downstairs, and I'll show you how I'm going to finish that off, because we're doing, I'm probably going to put plywood walls up and do some bench building and things like that. So, all right, stay tuned, have fun. Thanks for watching. Share our videos with your friends, and let's get some folks involved. All right, and I'll also be reading comments and checking out your thoughts and ideas about what we can do here. Hell, I might even recycle old pallets and use the pallets for some wall material. That might be really cool, right? Yeah. Take it easy, folks.